ओके, सो स्टेजेस ऑफ एरिथ्रोपोइसिस। स्टेजेस ऑफ एरिथ्रोपोइसिस में है पीबी पोर, दैट इज पी फॉर प्रो एरिथ्रोब्लास्ट, जिसमें हेमोग्लोबिन सिंथेसिस बिगिन इन दिस स्टेज in pro as proerythroblast, then basophil erythroblast या early normoblast। इसमें क्या होगा कि there is will be very little hemoglobin, nuclei disappear, polychromophil erythroblast or intermediate normoblast, hemoglobin starts appearing and there is enough hemoglobin. In basophil erythroblast or early normoblast, there is polychromasia, that means there is uptake of both eosin and basic dyes, eosin by hemoglobin and basic dyes by residual ribosomal RNA. It is polychromasia also found in bleeding, hemolysis or response to hemostatic factor replacement. Then we have orthostatic erythroblast stage or late normoblast. Orthostatic orthochromatic erythroblast या orthochromatic erythroblast और late normoblast, जिसमें maximum और very large amount of hemoglobin production occur and there is nucleus disappear and maximum or very large amount of hemoglobin production occur and nucleus disappear. Then reticulocyte में maximum hemoglobin concentration present, there is maximum hemoglobin concentration present. Reticulum is formed normal 1 to 2%, normal होता है 1 to 2%, reticulum is formed and reticulocytes maximum hemoglobin concentration is present, maximum hemoglobin concentration is present in reticulocyte. Then reticulocyte convert into mature RBC, which cell then means cell attain the biconcavity. मैक्सिमम हीमोग्लोबिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बाय द स्टेज ऑफ रेटिकुलोसाइट जो है वो बन जाती है और रेटिकुलोसाइट काउंट जो है 1 to 2% इज नॉर्मल एंड द रेटिकुलम इज फॉर्म्ड। उसके बाद बनते हैं मेच्योर आरबीसी जिसमें बाइकॉनकेव हो जाते हैं वो। नाउ जो प्रोडक्शन हो रही है हीमोग्लोबिन प्रोडक्शन मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में हो रही है वो हो रही है ऑर्थोस्टैटिक एरिथ्रोब्लास्ट में, लेट नॉर्मोब्लास्ट में, और मैक्सिमम हीमोग्लोबिन कंसंट्रेशन प्रेजेंट है रेटिकुलोसाइट में। ठीक है, अच्छा हेमोग्लोबिन, नॉर्मल हेमोग्लोबिन में 2 अल्फा एंड 2 बीटा चेंज होती हैं HbA। hemoglobin is conjugated protein made of heme and globin. Heme is converted into bilirubin mainly in spleen. Heme consists of porphyria and iron. Heme is converted into bilirubin mainly in spleen. Each hemoglobin molecule can bind to 4 oxygen molecules. One hemoglobin molecule transport 8 oxygen atom, मतलब 4 ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल मतलब O2 है तो 8 ऑक्सीजन के एटम्स कितने होंगे, 4 into 2 is 8, तो 8 atom of oxygen can be transported by one molecule of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin molecule has 4 atom of iron. RBC can concentrate hemoglobin up to 34 milligram per 100 ml. RBC can concentrate hemoglobin up to 34 milligram per 100 ml. Each gram of hemoglobin can bind 1.34 ml of oxygen. 10 gram hemoglobin will contain 13.4 ml, that is 10 into 1.34 is equal to 13.4. Each gram can bind to 1.34 ml of oxygen and 1 gram can bind to 1.34 ml of oxygen, so 10 gram will contain 13.4 ml. During intravascular hemolysis, hemoglobin binds with during intravascular hemolysis, hemoglobin binds with haptoglobin and there will be अगर इंट्रावेस्कुलर हेमोलिसिस होगी तो फिर देयर विल बी डिक्रीज इन हेपेटोग्लोबिन बिकॉज हेमोग्लोबिन बाइंड कर रहा है, सो देयर विल बी डिक्रीज इन हेपेटोग्लोबिन. Bluish discoloration of skin is called cyanosis. The causes of cyanosis is increased level of deoxyhemoglobin more than 5 gram per deciliter. More than 5 gram per deciliter. The cause of cyanosis is increased level of deoxyhemoglobin more than 5 gram per deciliter. Half-life of carboxyhemoglobin in room air is 4 to 6 hours. Half-life of carboxyhemoglobin in room is 4 to 6 hours. Hemoglobin acts as intracellular buffer. Hemoglobin acts as intracellular buffer. Taut hemoglobin causes decreased affinity to oxygen. Taut hemoglobin causes decreased affinity to oxygen. Male hemoglobin 16 gram per deciliter या per 100 ml. फीमेल हेमोग्लोबिन नॉर्मल है 14 ग्राम पर 100 ml या 14 ग्राम per deciliter. Taut hemoglobin causes decreased affinity to oxygen. Taut hemoglobin means decreased affinity to oxygen. Hemoglobin acts as intracellular buffer. A physiologic decrease in hemoglobin content is noticed at 8 to 12 weeks in term infants. 8 to 12 weeks in hemoglobin decrease, physiologic decrease in hemoglobin content is noticed at 8 to 12 weeks in term infants, that is hemoglobin 11 gram per deciliter, and approximately 6 weeks in premature infants. Therefore, hemoglobin is least in newborn when at the age of 3 months. When hemoglobin binds with hepatoglobin and heme binds with when hemoglobin binds with hepatoglobin and heme binds with hemopexin, they are retained in the vasculature, diminishing tissue damage. Heme binds with hemopexin, they are retained in the vasculature, diminishing the tissue damage. Portion of bilirubin that gives pale color to feces is stercobilin. The hemoglobin oxygen saturation and of blood entering the right ventricle is approximately 75%. The hemoglobin oxygen saturation of blood entering the right ventricle is approximately 75%. Methemoglobin in the blood cannot be detected by conventional pulse oximetry. Methemoglobin in blood cannot be detected by conventional pulse oximetry. Hemoglobin types. Hemoglobin types HbA. HbA में 2 alpha 2 beta, that's normal adult hemoglobin. HbA2 means 2 alpha and 2 delta. HbA2 means 2 alpha and 2 delta chains. HbF means 2 alpha and 2 gamma. It has least affinity for 2,3-BPG and has a higher affinity for oxygen than adult hemoglobin. Grower 1 hemoglobin means 2 zeta plus 2 epsilon, and Grower 2 hemoglobin means 2 alpha plus 2 epsilon. Abnormal hemoglobin HbS. Glutamic acid. In HbS, the glutamic acid is replaced by valine at position number 6 in beta chain, undergoes sickling at low oxygen tension. So HbS में glutamic acid is replaced by valine at position number 6 beta chains undergoes sickling at low oxygen tension. Hemoglobin C, HbC. Glutamic acid is replaced by lysine at position number 6 in beta chain. HbE. Glutamic acid is replaced by lysine at position number 26 in beta chain in HbE. And hemoglobin M means methemoglobin contain iron in ferric iron form rather than ferrous. Ferric की फॉर्म में होगा आयरन rather than ferrous. Derivatives of hemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin means hemoglobin with O2. Deoxyhemoglobin means hemoglobin with without O2. And then there is मेथिमोग्लोबिन, जिसमें आयरन जो है वो फेरिक फॉर्म में होता है. Myoglobin is an iron containing pigment found in skeletal muscle. It resembles hemoglobin but binds 1 rather than 4 molecules of oxygen per mole. Its dissociation curve is rectangular and hyperbolar rather than a sigmoid curve. Because its curve is to the left of the hemoglobin curve, it takes up oxygen from hemoglobin in the blood. It releases oxygen only at low PO2 values, but the PO2 in exercising muscle is close to zero. The myoglobin content is greatest in muscle specialized for sustained contraction. The muscle blood supply is compressed during such contractions, and myoglobin may provide oxygen when blood flow is cut off. The formation of hemoglobin site. Most steps occur in mitochondria. So the steps are: acetic acid is converted to succinyl CoA, then 2 succinyl CoA plus 2 glycine form pyrrole, then 4 pyrrole form protopyrin 9. Protopyrin 9 plus ferrous forms heme. Heme plus globin forms hemoglobin, and 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain forms hemoglobin molecule HbA. So सबसे पहले acetic acid forms succinyl CoA, then 2 succinyl CoA form plus 2 glycine forms pyrrole, and then 4 pyrrole forms protopyrin 9, then protopyrin 9 plus ferrous forms heme, and then heme plus globin form hemoglobin, and then 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain form adult hemoglobin. स्प्लीन में है हीम से बना. Okay, so here what we are seeing, स्प्लीन से तो ब्रेकेज है जिसमें हीम ऑक्सीजनेज से हीम से बना इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ NADPH बन गया हमारे पास बिलीवर्डिन, और फिर बिलीवर्डिन रिडक्टेस से बना bilirubin. Bilirubin albumin complex in blood, and then it is transferred to liver, where bilirubin is converted to bilirubin diglucuronide by UDP glucuronide transferase. Bilirubin diglucuronide is converted into urobilinogen, and then urobilinogen is excreted in urine and converted to stercobilin, which is then lost in feces. Okay. हीम से बना बिलीवर्डिन से बना bilirubin by biliverdin reductase, and then bilirubin जो है वो गया बाइल डक्ट के थ्रू इंटेस्टाइन में, और वहाँ से ग्लूकोनिक एसिड इज रिमूव्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया एंड इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लूकोनिक एसिड के रिमूवल के बाद ये बन गया यूरोबिलिनोजन एंड स्टेरकोबिलिनोजन. यूरोबिलिनोजन जो है वो एक्सक्रीट हो गया यूरिन में, स्टेरकोबिलिन जो है वो एक्सक्रीट हो गया स्टूल में, एंड यूरोबिलिनोजन कुछ जो है वो वापस चला गया एंट्रोहेपेटिक सर्कुलेशन में बाय द पोर्टल सिस्टम. Now iron. Iron is mainly hemoglobin. Iron is mainly in hemoglobin, 65%, and 4% occur in myoglobin. Iron stored in female is 2.4 gram, and iron in males is 4 gram. Iron binds with hemoglobin. Iron is stored in parenchymal tissue in soluble form as ferritin. Insoluble form of iron is called as hemosiderin. Insoluble form of iron is hemosiderin. Main regulator of iron absorption is hepcidin, a protein formed by the liver, which is a regulator of iron absorption. Hepcidin. Daily loss of iron in male is 1 milligram into feces, and in female is 2 milligram into feces and menstrual blood. Iron tablet takes on empty stomach, which helps on the body absorb them better. And best indicator of serum iron stored in is serum iron ferritin. Serum iron ferritin. Iron demand in pregnancy is 800 milligram. Iron demand in pregnancy is 800 milligram, and best indicator for serum iron stored is serum iron ferritin. Iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is hypochromic microcytic anemia, the most common overall anemia, most common nutritional deficiency worldwide. Phytates and tannates, phosphates, oxalates, and carbonates, all these have negative influence on iron absorption. Vitamin C, citrate, and glucose help to convert ferric iron to ferrous iron. This reduced ferrous directly reabsorbs in duodenum. Intestinal absorption of iron mainly occur in ferrous form, which found most abundant in meat. Intestinal absorption of iron mainly occurs in ferrous form, which found most abundant in meat. Plant contains ferric form of iron. Plant contain ferric form of iron. HBM bind with ferric form of iron. Iron stored in form of ferritin and transported in form of transferrin. Most common cause of anemia in pregnancy is iron deficiency anemia. Iron is stored in the form of ferritin and transported in the form of transferrin. एंड स्टोर होता है फेरेटिन की फॉर्म में और ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है ट्रांसफेरिन की फॉर्म में. और HBM बाइंड्स विद हेमोग्लोबिन बाइंड्स विद फेरिक फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन. प्लांट कंटेन फेरिक फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन. Intestinal absorption of iron is mainly occurs in ferrous form, which found most abundant in meat. And the reduced ferrous form is directly absorbed in duodenum. Okay. Vitamin C, citrate, and glucose help to convert ferric iron to ferrous iron. सिट्रेट, ग्लूकोज एंड विटामिन सी फेरिक को फेरस में कन्वर्ट करती है, और फेरस होता है ड्यूटेनियम में तो वो डायरेक्टली एब्जॉर्ब किया जाता है. आयरन पॉइजनिंग. One of the leading cause of fatality from toxicologic agent in children is iron. Mechanism is cell death due to peroxidation of membrane lipids. The symptoms in acute there is gastric bleeding, and chronic में metabolic acidosis and scarring leading to GI obstruction. Metabolic acidosis and scarring leading to GI obstruction. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate. In presence of an anticoagulant rate of settling down of RBCs in specimen of blood which is allowed to stand in a glass tube of uniform bore is called ESR. RBCs settle down because they are heavier than plasma. ESR is enhanced by Rolex formation. And increasing factors are ESR increase oxygen, increase alpha globulin, increase cholesterol, increase fibrinogen because it favors Rolex formation, more than 100 in multiple myeloma, and acute infection due to protein that enter the plasma from the site of infection. More than 100 in multiple myeloma and acute infection due to protein that enter plasma from site of infection. Decreasing factors increase when there is increase in carbon dioxide, increase in lecithins, increase albumin, and increase nucleoprotein. Physiologic variation, the ESR lowest in newborn, increase in pregnancy after 3 months due to fibrinogen formation, and increase in old age. Lead poisoning. Severe lead poisoning is treated with succimer. Severe lead poisoning is treated with succimer. Diagnostic test is lead levels in blood and urine. Lead levels in blood and urine. Severe lead poisoning is treated with succimer. Diagnostic test is lead levels in blood and urine. Lead poisoning causes ALA synthase deficiency. ALA synthase deficiency. Lead poisoning causes ALA synthase deficiency. So in lead poisoning there is A, B, C, D, E, F. That is A for anemia, microcytic anemia and amenorrhea. B for basophilic stippling of RBCs or Burtonian lines. Basophilic stippling of RBCs and Burtonian lines in lead poisoning. C for colic and constipation. D for drop, wrist drop or foot drop. And E for encephalopathy. F for facial pallor. Facial pallor. A, B, C, anemia, basophilic stippling of RBCs or Burtonian lines, constipation. D for drop, wrist drop or foot drop. E for encephalopathy and F for facial pallor. Lead poisoning. See, lead levels in blood and urine are raised, so it's a diagnostic test. And severe lead poisoning is treated with succimer, and lead poisoning causes ALA synthase deficiency. Okay, so now we have pathology of